So we're continuing now our discussion about how to do a user-defined event to control whether a tab pane in a tabbed UI can close. And we've just shown now how we can set a arbitrary variable in the tab object to contain the state of this grid over here. So right now it says gridIsDirty because I went ahead and saved the child grid. So now let's go back to the tabbed UI builder over here, and I'm going to just make this window a little bit smaller, and you can see here that this button here, which opens up the grid in a A5W page, like all tabbed UI buttons, has a on before remove event. So this is the JavaScript that gets run before the tab is closed. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to paste in some code that I previously have written. So let's take a look at this code right now. So here we are just defining some arbitrary JavaScript variable called flag can close, and I'm setting its value to true. And then I'm saying if the gridIsDirty variable inside TBI OBJ is not undefined. In other words, if it is defined, then set can close to the opposite of whatever is in this variable. That's where the exclamation mark comes from. So now if flag can close is true, then we just return true, which means the tab will close. Otherwise we'll put up an alert and then return false, which will prevent the tab from closing. So let's go ahead now and run this. So let's go here and open up the grid and make it dirty, and now try and close the window, and you can see there's my alert telling me that the grid is dirty and I need to save my changes before I can close. So let's go ahead now and save it and now close it, and then you can see it closes. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks very much.